up, yeah, free up, yeah. Balenciaga from instructor. Good them car, bush get deduct, yeah. Hey, yeah, yeah, yeah. Fiesta, forever, party, whenever, when we're together. Yeah, coming from the West Indies, and you know I say we giving them the best in need. Anywhere we there, we do a flex man street, and the style what we do no matter Rex and beat. And I interview nobody question me, and you try never look in my direction. G, new bank grab and every that's one beat. Oh, coming from the set and greet. Yeah, I wanna just party. I wanna just,
Oh my gosh, you guys, it's 4:45 and look. 4:45 literally. Okay, trying to find a CIBC that I can go to. Trying to go to the bank, you guys, but clearly I can't do it here. And I don't need to withdraw, I actually need to deposit. So I'm gonna see which one is open that's near me and do that. But yeah, I'm gonna put gas in the tank for Babe so he can just head out to work. Yeah, so yeah, that's what I'm doing at 4:45 a.m. But other than that, I am ready. I am packed and I'm ready to go. Oops, everything is done. I just got to get picked up and I'm out of here. I feel like I'm overweight and I'm mad about that because I have the intent that I want to bring a lot of stuff back. But my cousin's mom was here recently and she took his suitcases to Jamaica, so if anything I'll just beg him to pack one and bring it back and do that because I need a lot of stuff. Yeah, so anyways guys, I'll update you guys when anything else is happening, but that's what's happening for now. Going to Jamaica! Oh my god, guys, we made it through. We're on our way. Say hi, say good morning, say good morning. Are you dumb? Say good morning.
Buenos dias.
Okay, gracias amigos. Yes, hola señor. We're on our way to say goodbye to
excursion.
Daddy. Say goodbye to Daddy. Say goodbye to Uncle. Where's Mom? Oh, she's gone to Timmy's. Say goodbye to brother. The lady gone our place. This is where she worked and retired from. See it there? She have our links them, man. You want free breakfast?
Yeah.
Yeah, like a free bread. I think one of her friends is bringing her samosas. Big celebrity, you know? Big celebrity. Anyhow, y'all, the first part is over. These people were rushing like to get here like we were gonna be late because my uncle missed his flight yesterday. But we were not gonna miss our flight. First of all, we're not gonna miss our flight. We're all three able-minded people. We weren't gonna miss our flight. We definitely weren't gonna miss our flight. First of all, I couldn't make him miss his flight and he couldn't make me miss my flight. We live like 5 minutes away. And the same thing with my mom. Watch there. Big hug at work time, you know, before the people them go grill the people them bagel and make the people them coffee, them hug up and them something there. All these things, that's why the line can't move. I'm trying to go to Starbucks and get my cheese Danish and my frap. And yeah, I need to go down and find a dentist, y'all. I need to find a dentist because my filling is coming out. I don't know how all of a sudden it wants to come out, and I can't bother because I need to eat my pork and I need to eat my KFC and I need to eat my patties and nothing can interrupt. What? Oh my god. Guys, we are off to Jamaica.
Votre gilet est situé dans le compartiment sous votre siège ou sous la console centrale. Récupérez-le en tirant sur la lanière rouge.
Her phone's on airplane mode and she's on YouTube. Please tell me how it makes
Ouvrez la pochette et
how is she
retirez le
gonna
gilet
watch
de sauvetage. L'appareil électronique reste coincé dans votre siège. N'essayez pas de le récupérer ou d'ajuster le siège. Demandez immédiatement l'aide d'un membre de
But there's
l'équipage
other
de
ones,
cabine.
these ones are new releases.
Afin d'éviter de vous blesser ou de...
That's gonna go bury my uncle, my cousin's daddy, my mommy's brother, and send him off the right way, you know? The mayor of Montego Bay. You guys, it's Jamaica! Oh my gosh! I don't think you understand. Jesus Christmas! You guys were in Jamaica!
Today we just asked your maid to all the guests complaints so we're better able to assist you. If you have any
This is
questions,
not the land of my birth, but technically, you know, because she was born here, so. You guys were in Jamaica?
On behalf of the group, we'd like to thank you so much for flying with us.
So it's nighttime. I don't know where I left off, but made it to the Airbnb. Made a few stops before we got to the Airbnb, but once we got here, that was it. My cousin took the car. I'll meet up with him for tomorrow, see what we get into for tomorrow. But as of right now, your girl is beat. I will get up and I will show you guys the Airbnb tomorrow. And see what we do tomorrow. Today as we got off the plane, we went straight to the funeral home, dropped off the SOO, got a list of things that we were missing. So I don't know if we're gonna have to go try to see if we can get those tomorrow, or hopefully family can still bring that down. But yeah, I am bus. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Here I am again, sorry, opening my first box food in Jamaica. I just did this, so I'm doing it again because I don't know what is going on with my camera. But anyways, first box food in Jamaica. Yeah. Roast breadfruit, country style chicken, yam, dumpling, and cabbage. I'm gonna consume this and tell you guys just how beautiful it is. And yeah, bye. Good morning from Jamaica. Good morning, guys. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. This is gonna be my good morning spot. But anyways, just wake. I don't know if I come on here in this nighty yesterday, but I want to not left my nighty alone because I'm my mother nighty. I'm a teeth friend her because how much I love it. I want to not go disrespect me for my nighty. Okay, I'm my husband love it. So what you saying? What you saying? I have my little pocket here. You know, I can keep my phone or my little change. A little extra space for a snack for later or something. I mean, hey, if you can still turn on your man in a them something, yeah. Something a go on. Yeah. Yeah. So yeah. I should do a tour. I'm gonna wait till a little bit later. But my auntie and my cousin is coming today. So we're just, you know, getting the place ready. I just open my thing in the morning. I wake up, I open all the doors. I mean the windows, the doors, all of that kind of stuff. But okay. Let me just do this tour now that everybody's not here yet and the place is not messy. So this is the first thing that you see when you walk in. Right? So the first thing we're gonna do, let's go to the first room, which is what do you call the main rooms? That. So this is it. You have a nice king size bed, a nice vanity here, chair to sit down on, yeah, a next, yeah, side table lamp, and the view from this room would be the pool. Right, but you have your nice windows. Every room has AC and every room is equipped with their own bathroom, which is one of the selling points why we picked this place. You have a closet so they can take out their stuff if they want to and be super organized. And yeah, this is their bathroom. This is their bathroom, standard toilet, whatever. We weren't looking for extreme luxury this trip. We were just looking for comfortability. And yeah, this is my mom / my room. I haven't been sleeping here the last 2 nights. I've had my own, but it might change because of today. So yeah, she's very comfortable. On the phone, this is her view. Zinc. Another bathroom. Yeah. And then yeah, so this is the living room. Well, you can chill in here. We have washer and dryer. Yeah, more views. This is the room that I was currently staying in, but if my brother comes, this is where he will be sleeping. So same view as my mom's view, but this is the room. And again, as I said, all the rooms come with AC and their own bathroom. And yeah, y'all, for the price, this place was amazing. Like it's amazing. This is the main living area. You have a huge ass dining table. You have you know, your living room, couches, you have more over there, your TV, and then your kitchen. Ginormous. Yeah, it's enormous. So yeah, your kitchen. You have a lot of space. Oh, let me open these windows. Yeah, lots and lots of space. Amazing. Chef's kiss. Mwah. Next little living area corner, whatever. Nice little view. And then for my favorite part, like this part of the house, the balcony. Oh, the breeze. Oh, yes, baby. This part, absolutely stunning. Absolutely stunning, people. Absolutely stunning. They do, this is the leafy area. So this is the Lethe River part, and they do the rafting here. I hope you guys can see because I can barely see for shit, but they do the rafting here from Choctaw. So if you're familiar with the area, that's where I am. And yeah, that's basically it. I will go outside and show you guys a little bit later. Go outside and show you guys the outside property a little bit later when I'm heading outside. And yeah, but I hope you guys enjoyed the tour thus far. Stay tuned for the outside portion. Yeah. I'll come back to you guys a little bit. I'm gonna see if my mom wants me to make her stuff for her, and then get the road on the show. We have a lot of airport pickups to do today, so yeah. And then I think like tonight the festivities for like the cousins is probably gonna start because everybody's here now. These are the last of the people to come, so yeah.
All of the man who weed and smoke, you know, take a boat now. Kill them with vibes.
Just give me the light and pass the joe. What's another buckle of more? Yeah, let me know my size and I got to know which one is gonna catch my flow. Cause I'm in the vibes and I got my dough. What's another buckle of more? Yeah, them looking hype and I got to know. Your protector, you're buffing every sector. Everyone around them want on your inspector. But you know let them threaten, I grill you with no lecture. But them for a drill, not them fuel injector. Cause them are infector, disease collector. None for them a go like them want come wreck you. Don't know the part where you got in your center. But you know you not let them guy they affect you, yo girl. Just give me the light and pass the joe. What's another buckle of more? Yeah, let me know my size and I got to know which one is gonna catch my flow. Come in on the vibes and I got my dough. What's another buckle of more? Girl, I'm looking hard, but I got to know 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. Situation getting really live again. Girl, them want me and go to the players and the riders and beside of them. And them say them tired and the liars them. Fires and connivers them when they forget inside of them. They glide of them, especially the money out of them. Watch it, girl, but them a try to make a ride of them. Denied again. Some of them a move like a Spider-Man. Girl, them say them not open wide again. Yo, just give me the light and pass the joe. Girl, I'm in on the side and I got to know which one is gonna catch my flow. Cause I'm in on the vibes and I got my dough. Girl, I'm looking hard but I got to know. Could I be your protector? You're bumping every sector. Every man around wants on your inspector. But you know let them sweat till I grill you with no lecture. But them power chill now them fuel injector. Cause them a infector, disease collector. None for them a go on like them walk come wreck you. Don't know the fat where you got in your center. But you know you don't make them guys they come affect you. Yo, just give me the light and pass the joe. Yeah, let me know my size and I got to know which one is gonna catch my flow. Cause I got the vibes and I got my dough. Yeah, them looking hard but I got to know 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. Situation getting really live again. Girl, them want me hang out with the players and the riders them beside of them. And them say them tired and the liars them. Fires and connivers them when they forget inside of them. They glide of them, especially the money out of them. Watch it, girl, but them a try to make a ride of them. Denied again. Some of them a move like a Spider-Man. Girl, them say them not open wide again. Yo, just give me the light and pass the joe. What's another buckle of more? Yeah, let me know my size and I got to know which one is gonna catch my flow. Cause I'm in on the vibes and I got the dough. What's another buckle of more? Yeah, them looking hard but I got to know. No, yo, well, just give me the light and pass the joe. What's another buckle of more? Yeah, let me know my size and I got to know which one is gonna catch my flow. Cause I'm in on the vibes and I got my dough. What's another buckle of more? Yeah, them looking hard but I got to know. Just give me the light and pass the joe. What's another buckle of more? Yeah, let me know my size and I got to know which one is gonna catch my flow. Cause I'm in on the vibes and I got my dough. What's another buckle of more? Yeah, them looking hard but I got to know.
Typical Jamaica fashion, you know, in the country. Current gone. I've been gone. So no TV. Luckily I'm having chips so I still can't connect to the internet or whatever, but can't try no Looking in the ceiling. Looking at the river. Looking at the rain in the grass. And all these things. So the water not run down here, so. Yeah, guys. You guys, my family is here. Everybody's here. Auntie Mari, say hi. 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 You guys never seen my brother before. Say hi. You guys, that is, yes, it's YouTube. Y'all, that's my brother from the same mother. Yeah, same mother. And my mushy boo. My mushy boo is here. Mushy, say hi. Yeah. Yeah. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Shall talk to the people that shall introduce herself. Right? Say hi, my name is Journey. Say my name is Journey. Journey. A Moscato. Sweet Moscato. They have that one, but they're not. Isn't there barefoot? Don't they have barefoot? Barefoot's supposed to be cheaper.
What's that one? You like that one?
No, I never tried it. Yeah.
It's the same.
Basically. What's the percentage? That's what matters. Oh, 9%. That's not bad.
The other one, them are what, 14?
Not all. Some of them are even 5. 5.5. Yo, I remember one time Alizé, you couldn't even find up on the shelf. To how it did popular. My God. Now nobody know what Alizé. Alizé's ghetto. From the Parkers. Most of their milk is cows.
But is it 2%? I'm wondering if you know the different milk.
Why don't you get a Lasco? Isn't Lasco better? No, Lasco. So guys, I came here to think I was coming to Jerky's, but to my surprise, it's Scotchies. So, yeah, I don't know. Everything changed up and I'm so sad. I'm very saddened. I can't believe them would have run away my people them and come change it. Okay. Still traffic, eh? Yeah. Welcome to the life of a country girl. Ah, muchete. Current's gone. It's gone.
It still works?
What?
This works?
It's a gas.
I don't know what that means.
It's gas.
Meaning?
It's a gas stove. It's not electric. Yeah, it's gas. So guys, current's been gone all day.
Fucking hell. We should get our money back for that, bro.
I mean, it happens.
Oh, early bird. I'm sorry, baby.
It could have happened anywhere.
That's what I get for talking shit to Oka.
Yeah, exactly.
Come, Journey. Come. Okay.
I can't even lock up the windows because it's... No.
No, man, mosquito come and join, man.
Auntie Mary, what we are going to do? The fan them not work.
Yeah, close it. Close it, please. It's not that. It's you have a little fan where you can...
With the candle them hot already. Which flicker fan? Girl, there's none. There's barely any up here.
Go on with it, go on with it. Blessings all for my life and my thank God for the journey, the earnings, and that's for the plugs. Gratitude is a must. Blessings fall by my right hand. But I do it for the friends that take off every load. One time they sit down in a class and report that I just get the road and we go on with the road. So we are coming with a force. Blessings we are keep and we coursing on. Oh, when I rise up, boast. So we give thanks like we need it the most. We have to give thanks like we really supposed to. Thankful. Blessings all for my life and my thank God for the journey, the earnings, and that's for the plugs. Gratitude is a must. Blessings fall by my right hand. But I do it for the friends that take off every load. One time they sit down in a class and report that I just get the road and we go on with the road. Third for me, say me try a thing. And you know it bound up to be a fire thing. I'm up on stage with panic fire sing. Yeah, see me all diggy soon get the higher ring. Like hello brother, you say I had to shut ya. Saw your photo, spectacular photo. Keep it burning, yes, that's the motto. You need about the pass through your soul. Can't fall in a life, man. Me have to thank God for the journey, the earnings, and that's for the plugs. Gratitude is a must. Yeah, me see blessings fall by my right hand. But I go to the friends where they call for me load. One time they sit down in a class and report that I just get the road and go on with it, go on with it. That's how I blessings upon me. And send me picture them sorry. That's how I blessings upon me. And that's how I made a give it a go. Breathe, I'm delighted. Jano tell me push on it tonight. Got the music, me excited. I'm coming like a push. Blessings all for my life and my thank God for the journey, the earnings, and that's for the plugs. Gratitude is a
Tell me now, who come a party if you come sleep in a car? Eh? Mr. Cads Biggs himself. Say hi.
One big clip, a 16 on a march for the hill with not your business. Anymore, we big things by your business. I want more buckler on you. Oh, what's up? Oh, what's up? Say the I like every can. 19 man working and see up on a bar from farm. Me select different. Gunshots coming at your face now. 19 blood clots up in the Draco. Quick for the trigger till me finger peel up. Murder for the rest of them from the penis. If you are empty boy, you see the beer cup. Be a gun sound with a weird up. Head bust like ball and face gun dog and stay sound. Don't try war with a demon. You know what I mean? Like me got one press on the chin drop, make you breeze walk. So don't fuck with the system. Pop up paper, me a crippling blue, make you dream right here like female. Make you jail one big clip of 16. Friend no see and me a one buckler by a daily come here and say, yes sir, Mr. Son, never been a testing crowd. You don't know see a two place in a man. But Mr. When you say skrr, don't tell me if you deal. Ice freezing, help me for chill. Got some scout, every name right on the wheel. With the brother, jump trafficking, look at you. We don't know you're old. You want the moves like show you're a fool and a true. You want your cut too. Before you girl do what it bugs. Yeah, full of that, I'm getting a bit good. You know, I go. You done. Pick up yourself. I saw your ear look. I love how you look. I saw, yeah. You're done in place. Yeah. That you say? Alright, dig up yourself. Everything fully up. Alright now. Ladies and gentle people. Snap that. Alright. Which is right. For the people who have them phone, are you ready for start time? Just turn on all of the phone them now. The cover people them. And the VIP them, just turn on the phone right now. All who have ambition, put your hand in our ears, so. Because I'm not afraid for talk, you know. Me no born poor and me no born rich, just born and me get the gift of life. Me have health and strength. Father God bless me with that and me not stress. You know what I mean? All of the people me know say you're born with a rich idea and you just make it manifest in a real life and you believe in yourself. Say talk truth! Which is right. I'm born with a rich idea, you know. Enough people get me history and them know me history. But hear me answer right now. Ladies and gentle people, this artist I'm about to present to you, I need you to turn on your camera phones. Right now, I make a call and I say, yo, I go Red Hills in a Kingston, St. Andrew. And I own my buck up on. The one and only, Quada!
Yeah, hear me there. Hey, Bali High Weekend. Hey, Oscar, pick up yourself for them, my brother. I will give thanks to life now. Sure. No, who like a fucking pull up that. All out there, with no friend and no family, say, well, boy. Who wants some more fun like that? Up top, boss, pick up yourself. Road there, sir. Up there, sir. And me on nothing now, you ready? Sure. No, who like a fucking pull up. Yeah, then the young videos so used to be so young. They said, me girl, them soon up up some young up. Look, them live on the rocks when we have roll out on the yacht. And girl, they have plus tax them brown and block them. Yeah, me want to push the thing, me got between them fat. Blow where you got, all our rock to work all night. Fire up any cup on your table. We have the harness. Alright, let's go it. Me say you can't sing one unless the level. And me on now sing the part here. Look side of you, where your friend there? Turn and sing this. It's a celebration every time
we link up, yeah.
Turn them rich, you know, like every rubber. That's what I never thought. You know, in that club, I represent for TG. Self for TV, boss, big up for yourself, my family. I want quite a well, man. Ready? Oh, God.
And that's your fight.
No fishing. Full on the one touch and chicken. Could they? Calling a lace, we got necklace. We just come for your breast now. Me say, see me with a girl that you expect now. Who do not make you sin? All of you, them will get girl from long time. Me say, me sing again. You gotta learn. See, do it up in a when you done a work. Me yard you feel go like your mother church. If you don't know that song, I sing it now. Me say, the girl, them love who is sharp like. Let your girl kill this bad man. Can you know me represent the realest way? I might
down, yeah? I don't respect I do now. Put up your phone light in here. We want to catch this because it's exclusive. When up top boss, the artists are come and girl to go behind and a joke thing. So we want to catch this live because remember, it's gonna be an ear-to-ear party and we just start the party. See? But the weekend is an ear-to-ear party now, right now in a girl to go big. And we know it might not start full like how some people really want it, but listen me. Next year, the people them are going to see the whole potential, right, Marvin Network? Every party have to build from a stages. Big up TJ. I let the man never know them about. Put up and say yo. I let the girl let me know your mouth clean. If your mouth really clean on the screen. Ladies and gentlemen, this artist I'm about to present to you right now on this stage show is a worldwide dancehall, reggae, anything you want to call it in a musical ambassador. So hear me answer right now. Please help me welcome the Uptown DJ and him out there on the beach looking more out of tropical bliss. I down Papi, big up yourself because remember next year. A big event that come up in a Sunfest time.
See the four general boss I walk out there now. When they do your own top boss, the four general boss over there and I'm talking thing. Whenever I hear you salute the up top boss so. Them things say that you're there, that's why I see. Tell them what I do now. What's the one that's not gonna make one? Don't get up, one in your head. Bad man, take on the nothing. You know what? You know what this is now, you tell them. Work. I wanna find this shield and go be perfect. Oh, Lord have mercy, help me. Sit down. Some boy love talking up. But I want we love make one. No, tell them. Booyah, that I can't be one. You know a bad thing, you know. Big up better 3G, you know, you think, yeah. Bad with bad. Whole Bobby, bad with bad. Yeah, some boy love do this. Yeah, some boy love do this. But tell them, go on like that.
Never yet get a chance.
Who know what's up?
Oh, your bad.
Who know what's up?
Oh, your bad.
Yo, they won't go back to the car. We never put on. What?
They're not the heart between the sun.
Say, Baba! When we walk with him, when we walk with him, your mommy, tell them, blow up your place with him. Alright then, if you want to show them we get tough, go to low class with a tough. Running up the car, we can't enough. Who you know, come and believe with a club. I make a bad shot, three every second fully up. Everybody shout.
Yeah.
Push, run. Girl, we are wild out, let us shout. Yeah. Look, you know what? We couldn't live a green card in a chow. Who you know? Underboard. We don't get little bit of the chicken. We don't know why from the film. Are you seeing the chicken? Somebody with me. Chicken and talking and jumping. Oh, God. No one can know. Back in the money. Yeah, but before now, yeah, but no money, come and get him. We said the money and the thing and the bed and the secret. We love it, you know. Pick up the medicine. Put it down in the buckets for your body, for your...
Record. Night. Bye.
Sabi girl no dey too like dog. Animals stay in human form. Body man nobody like dog. But you must hustle if you want job. If no finish they won't fight us. If them they run them no fit catch up. I know they form say I too like dogs. No con they form say you too like us. You no get the time for the hate and the bad energy. Got my mind on my money. Make you dance like broccoli. Steady green like broccoli. Steady on my grind.
instrumental.
Piccolo?
Which one?
It's on a saxophone. Soprano saxophone.
Oh, small one.
Your water and your staff, they comfort me. You prepare a table before me. In the presence of my enemies, you anoint my head with oil. My cup overflows. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I shall dwell in the house of the Lord forever.
Where he found that his charms only worked on ladies. After going through the process, he then decided not to continue, after which Mas Bartlett told him he would amount to nothing. From there, he had the opportunity to travel to Canada when his eldest sister, Elaine, sponsored him. After arriving, his first job was being a butcher. However, being a butcher in Canada was very different from a butcher in Jamaica. How different, you may wonder? Well, in Jamaica, we're used to using machetes to do everything, chopping, chop up everything. In Canada, they are used to using machines. Even that, too, was short-lived when he almost chopped off his hand and damaged some nerve endings instead.
He has given us opportunities for us to show forth the graces of the God who has brought us into his marvelous life. Today, as you reflect on his life, the words of Solomon comes home to us, that give life your best while you're living. You may amass all in this life, but he says, concluding, he says in chapter 12 to his son, my son, remember now the Creator in the days of your youth. Because as young people, sometimes we feel that we do not need God, but you see, it is in him we live and move and have all of our being. I'm sorry that he's not alive because he would be listening to me today. But you see, we need God. You all need God. We need him because without God, we are nothing. And so Solomon concludes this book to his son, this letter to his son by saying, son, let us hear the conclusion of the whole matter. When the rubber hits the road, when your head comes down to touch that dying pillow, he said, let's hear the conclusion of the whole matter. He says, fear God and be obedient to him. Keep his commandments, for this is the whole duty of man, because one day God is going to bring all of your work into judgment. One day your life will stand there before God and you shall answer to the great monarch of this universe. Now, I understand what judgment is like.
Turn it off.
What?
Pictures, the three of you.
Oh.
I love that picture. Although she looks sad. Yeah, okay, bye.
No man, something is really wrong with the camera. Like the batteries are not lasting in here at all, and that's why I haven't been vlogging you guys. I literally just put a brand new battery in my camera and it's already telling me I only have like one tick left. But anyways, recorded something a while ago, didn't record, so quickly at the airport right now, dropping off my aunt and my cousins. About to head in town, pick up something to eat, maybe pick up some snacks and stuff that we need because we leave tomorrow. Today is Wednesday, October the 11th. We're leaving on the 12th. And yeah, so we just came here to drop them off and get them checked in, and then we're gonna go home. But before home, we're gonna pick up some stuff along the way. And then, yeah, so I'll touch base with you guys in a little bit. But back to the battery thing, that is the main reason why there's not a lot of footage, because my camera was just really and truly acting up. I try to get stuff on my camera. I mean, on my phone, if I did, you guys would see it in this vlog. But Jamaica is just not the same for me as it was a couple of years ago. I'm not gonna elaborate. There's just been a lot of changes and whatever. So again, it's not the same. Yeah, and then we're here for a funeral, so even within that in itself, like, there was a lot that was going on behind the scenes and even on the forefront, and it was just kind of like the vibe just, it really and truly wasn't there. Like, for a returning trip, like after so long, like, this was the mood for the trip was never again. So that just goes to show you. But try to make the best of it, and yeah, but I'll see you guys in a little bit when there's a little bit more happening, okay?